How to reset Instagram algorithm. In this video, we're diving into the new 2024 Instagram update that allows you to reset your feed by resetting the Instagram algorithm. If you're tired of seeing the same posts or want a fresh start, this update is for you. The process is simple, and I'm here to walk you through it. First, go to your Instagram profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you're on your profile, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to access your settings. Scroll down and look for the Settings option, then tap on Suggested Content. Here, you should see an option to reset your content preferences. Tap that, and you've successfully reset your Instagram algorithm. Now, after you reset the algorithm, it's important to know that this action is irreversible. Your feed will change significantly, and you might see unfamiliar content. This is normal, as Instagram will start recommending posts based on new preferences, and it may take a little while to get back to content you're familiar with. Be prepared for a mix of new and unexpected content showing up in your feed for the next few days. But what if you don't see this option in your settings? Don't worry, it might not be available in all regions yet. If you can't find the reset option, you can reach out to Instagram support. To do this, go back to your settings, tap Help, and select Report a Problem. This way, Instagram can assist you and let you know if the feature is unavailable in your area. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe,